Hello everybody, welcome back to another Fuzzy Dice Motors dealer auction walk around. It's dark, it's not very warm, but then again it's almost Christmas, so you can't expect anything else. Let's see if we can find something more interesting than what we found last week. Last week, I guess the most interesting thing that we saw was the Honda Pilot, which actually did sell, I believe, for $5,900. So let's see if we can find something more interesting today. Well, everyone, remember the Jag that did not start last week? It is back and it has started. Someone has, I guess, charged the battery in it. So we didn't get to do a drive in it last week, so maybe, just maybe, we can drive it this week. It certainly sounds amazing. Oh yeah, that sounds great. So I think I'm gonna hop in the other side and we're gonna take this thing for a drive.
Is that blocked?
Okay.
No, it's not.
Yeah, and we are driving the Jag.
Let me turn this on so it doesn't.
That might be, there's that
There
2012, got 180 on the Pilot, which we'll look at momentarily. No one's gonna T-bump us. No, that's good.
Alright, let's see.
Give you guys a look around here at the Jag.
Well, there's brakes.
And there's a brake. There's Jason. With Jason's mic this time around.
It should be working. I don't think I've ever driven a car with a heated steering wheel. I kept on going, why is it getting warm?
Yeah, ouch, ouch, ouch.
Well, it's not that hot, but.
Okay.
Good Lord. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that like that.
It got down the road. We already checked the brakes, so we know we got brakes, thank God.
So they moved the wash station over here.
Yeah.
I didn't want to come flying around that corner without. All right, here we go.
Up on two wheel. Oh.
We got a little.
Yeah, it was like,
Mercy.
the rear end got a little squirrely on the kitty.
Twice. When it hit second gear, it popped. Wow.
Answers that question. Yes, the Jag is peppy.
Is this an 8 or a bigger?
This is probably like a 5-liter, is my guess. V8. And the heated seats are nice.
It shifts smooth. Those brakes are, I don't want to slam on them, but smart key battery. Well, this is only like the third Jaguar I've ever driven, and this is the only 2-door one. I will say it is very nice.
Yeah, I don't see anything to complain about, which, you know, I like to complain, but I don't have anything to bitch about.
It needs a good bath. But that's this time of year. Did I get the wrong side?
We're behind B20.
Was it right here? On the other side of this?
Oh, yeah, right by the HHR.
Okay, yeah.
So we're going to get this thing squared
21?
away.
Are we 21?
Yep, we're right behind
Yeah,
this. So I guess we are, in fact, 21. There we go.
That was kind of quick.
Yeah, look at this, guys. I love the detail these Jags put in there. All this is metal. Everything is leather and wood.
Stitching.
I know we talked about this last week, but, you know, we couldn't drive it.
Suede.
Yep, suede. Suede, metal, and leather is about pretty much everything that you got in here. Very, very limited use of plastic.
I thought that was flush. Oh, you know what? When it's off, it's flush.
The steering wheel is heated and nice and warm.
Yes, it is.
The seats are nice and warm. I forgot what this is supposed to sell for on the MMR. I might go ahead and rescan it just for the heck of it.
Where's Audi? Well, let's see here. We didn't check this stuff out because last time. Let's see if the.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Let's see here. Do we have AC?
We have all kinds of bells and whistles that we may or may not understand.
Even as cold as it is outside, that's instant AC. That's AC. That's not just cold air.
Yep. So the AC works.
So let's go with. Let's see what that heat does.
Oh, that's warm. That got warm instantly.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, wow. Super heater.
Audio. What we got here? How about
How fancy.
what's their local radio station?
Try 98.3. I think I see it.
There it is. I don't have my reading glasses on.
I guessed.
Where's the?
Is that it? Oh, that's the fan.
That's a fan.
We don't understand how to use it. There's a volume control there.
Is that it? I'm sorry. I don't know this one. Is this it?
Yeah. There we go. Radio works. Losing My Religion, REM. Oh, there you go.
Speaker stump.
Yep. Oh.
I'm sure I just blew everyone's ears out.
Okay.
So.
All right. Here we go. This is.
Well, somebody took a power washer too. That's what that was from. Well.
So if we find our emissions label, which is probably over there, it's going to tell us. My guess is it's going to be a 5-liter V8. So we're going to walk over here.
EPA. I don't have my glasses on. Gas. I don't see it. But again,
I'm gonna throw on my own old man glasses and take a look. Be right back.
I don't. That kind of makes me wonder.
All right, guys, just got back. Check the old Google there. This is a 5-liter, like I had guessed, and the horsepower rating is anywhere between 385 and 500 and something. I guess depending upon if it's supercharged or not. I do not hear a whine.
It's not supercharged.
So this is a naturally aspirated 5-liter with 385 horsepower, which is plenty enough horsepower to get you down the road. And if you guys want to take another quick look at it before we bid this adieu, here it is.
She's dirty, but she's sexy.
That is a sexy kitty. All right, moving on. Here we go, a beautiful C6 Corvette. It's a 2006, 127,000 miles. And I know what you guys are saying, oh man, you guys need to drive it, blah, blah, blah. Drive. This is the thumbnail, yada, yada. But look at this. Hey, you know what? At least, look at this. Lemon Law buyback does not qualify for Lewis guarantee. So, this is one of those where it's like, you know what? I like to roll the dice just like the next person. But when the dice are loaded against you, yeah. That doesn't mean I won't get you guys in here and we don't take a look. Uh-oh. It's a manual. It's a manual. The seats are in good condition. Oh, is it? Oh, there you go.
You roll the window down a little bit. That makes me kind of wonder over here. The quick panel's kicked out and they're exposed. All the wiring's exposed.
It is? Let me come over there.
The fuse panel's exposed. So somebody was hunting down a gremlin.
You know what? That's exactly what you want to see in one of these. Man. You know, this is not my car and I'm not bidding on it, but I'm going to give it a nickname. Nightmare. Oh, look at our trumpet style quad exhaust down here. Very nice. But you know, I'm the #1 Corvette fan, but guys, when I see the big red flag plastered on the glass, I'm gonna go ahead and step away. And now for something completely different. How about a 2022 Toyota Corolla? Now that seems to be kind of a base model. This is probably a rental car. This thing's got brand new tires on it, 65,000 miles. And yes, we're gonna try to appease everyone. Yeah, we always show Corvettes and Jags and fancy old cars, BMW, Mercedes, Ferraris and Skylines and Trans Ams and GTOs. How about an LE Toyota Corolla? You know, we may even just go ahead and say, what the hell, and just jump in and drive around in a Toyota Corolla. Have not been in one of these in quite some time. I know Toyota's kind of upped their game on the Corolla the past couple of years. So why don't we go ahead and jump on in and take her around the block. We are now inside the 2022 Toyota Corolla. We have not been messing around any Toyota Corollas recently. And this was almost 3 years old. I understand that. But it looks like Toyota has upped their Corolla game. Now this is definitely not the the hard loaded special edition. This most likely was a rental, so it's not heavily loaded. There's all the books. We got 65,000 miles on it.
We got 3/4 of a tank of gas.
That's right, we got gas, so we're gonna take it for a little test drive. For those who love big backup cameras, this for a small car has a, I'm going to use the word ginormous. I like that.
It's
a ginormous touchscreen and backup camera. Some of you will find it interesting that we're going from a V8 Jag to a 4-cylinder Corolla. We're trying to please everyone. These videos have something for every taste.
Well,
You're
good, reliable vehicle for your daughter going to college or your wife. 65,000 miles, Toyota engines. You're looking at something that'll last another, if you take care of it, 15 years.
And then you have your Jag, which is going to be in the shop pretty much every day that you have it.
Yeah, but it'll be fun to drive.
But that's right. But when it runs, it's going to be epic. It's going to be so much fun.
Take it easy around the corner. All right, so I don't expect much out of this, but it shifts.
Yeah.
We hit 31.
Yeah, we got up to 31 miles per gallon.
Miles.
Yeah. MPH.
Nice. The steering wheel is very responsive. It's quiet.
It's quiet, it's dependable, it's reliable, it's going to get fantastic gas mileage, probably about 38, and it's going to run forever. And when it does break, the parts will be readily available and fairly inexpensive.
Yeah, and in the back, there's enough room for, 2 adults back there.
Yep.
A couple of kids. This is a good commuter car. Nothing that's going to break the bank or the insurance bill.
And also something else people should think about is when it comes time to buy new tires, your tires are not going to cost you $500 a piece.
Yeah, this is probably...
You can go to Walmart and probably get an entire set of tires, of cheap tires, for about $250 to $275 for the whole set.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure these were 16. Did I miss it? Are we on this one or this one over here?
We are going to be behind that gray Jeep. There's a silver Jeep that we were behind.
This one right here.
Yep, there it is. All right, I'm going to go ahead and shut this off, and we're going to find something else to snoop around. Well, all right, guys, I guess that's going to be it for this week. For this dealer auction walk around. I think my hat's crooked, too. If you like anything that you saw here, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Click that like button down below, folks. It is free, costs you nothing. We are on Rumble, we are on TikTok, we are on Facebook, and of course you're watching this on YouTube most likely. And if you want to contact us directly, that is fuzzydicemotors@gmail.com. And folks, as always, as it's always been, better cars, best prices. It's Fuzzy Dice or Snow Dice.